Hi, today we are going to talk about this. Is the fixing of Allen's pink head, in particular her custom shaders. So we will transform them into shaders that work with the URP pipeline. And if you remember, we did an automatic conversion of all the shaders, but if they are custom, it doesn't work, right? So it's not that difficult. You'll see what we'll have to do is, well, select Allen body that is under the Allen game object in the hierarchy, and then in the inspector we have all the shaders one by one. We convert the what is called the shader type into UniversalRenderPipeline lit, okay? And then we try to select as many textures we have, the albedo, the normal, and others. You'll see when you see them, you recognize them, the smoothness, textures, and so on. So let me show you. As you can see right now, Ellen is looking much better. Her head is no longer pink. Okay, excuse me. And now we have what? We expand Ellen, we go to the Ellen body. As you can see, all the 5 shaders, right? So we expand the first one. As you can see, it used to be custom something in here, right? Okay, instead now we select UniversalRenderPipeline and lit, okay? And notice that I did this for all 5 of them. Now, what about inside the textures? Well, for instance, for the Allen hair, we have selected base map. It is always base, what is it? Allen hair albedo, right? And then for the metallic map, we chose Allen hair metallic smooth. And then for normal map, of course, Allen hair normal. Notice that this is a bit of a pattern. See, it says always Allen, then the body part, and then you specify, normal, metallic, smooth, or albedo. It's kind of strange why they use base map now. I think it used to be called albedo literally, but whatever. And the same for the others. So for instance, we have base map, of course, is Allen body now, right? So it's Allen body albedo. We already now understand the pattern. And here is Allen body metallic smooth, and then normal. Same thing, right? So notice that the options here are metallic, opaque, and front, exactly like the first one, right? Okay, so let's go to the next one, the Allen head. Again, metallic, opaque, and first, and then the base map, we chose Allen head albedo, and then metallic, Allen head metallic smooth, and normal, Allen head normal. Surprise, surprise. And the one before the last, Allen eyes. Notice that there is a little inconsistency. Here eyes is plural, but sometimes, if I remember correctly, in the textures is actually the singular. Whatever, right? So Allen eye albedo, Allen, the smooth I don't think is there. So Allen eye, and then there's no smooth. There is this SSS, no idea what it is, doesn't matter. Normal map, as you can see, Allen eye normal. Again, metallic, opaque, and front. And finally, you have tear, right? It is this effect on top of the eyes, and is metallic transparent alpha, okay? Because, well, it's tears, so of course it's transparent. You don't really have much to choose in here, right? There is a color, 150 on all 3 components, is gray, right? That's how you make grays, by having all 3 components the same number. And that's it. That's pretty much what it's about. And you save. And of course, because you will have add move main onto the hierarchy, and then you have selected Allen body. So now there was already a main. Okay, doesn't matter because I already done it, so I'm gonna just cancel it. But you instead will probably select main and go override and select apply, right? Let me show you with the real one. Okay, there's nothing to override, so that's why it says nothing. But in your case, it will say that there is something and you apply it and it will be good. Once you're done, you delete it, like I delete also the original one. Now if I press play, now all these changes will be applied to the main, And so, boom, right? She looks right. And great. And that's it. That was just a long overdue tweaking of Ellen's head textures with custom shaders. And we transformed them all into standard lit URP shaders. Pretty simple. Thank you.